फाटल्या दिसांनी जे भाशेन आमदार वेली MLA क्रूज सिल्वान एक इशू हायलायट केलो आमी जे लोकांच्या नोदरेक हाडलो स्पेशली ऑन दी स्टुडंट्स हॅरसमेंट इन KTC buses. Now since you are also in this, how do you see this issue?
See, first and foremost, I would like to record my appreciation for a very good story that you all have done. Because had you all not done this story, what would happen? Various dimensions of the issue would not get highlighted. And why I'm also saying in that sense, many people don't see your media as the what you call mainstream media. So in a way, I think it has broken, and I personally would have shared your story with nearly 100 people across Goa because I wanted them to appreciate and understand what is the issue and how well this issue was highlighted. Now coming back to the issue, see, one of the most important things which I would like to highlight is first of all the problems in South Goa are getting step considered treatment. Now you see, this is the issue of transport department. Now you will be surprised to know the Deputy Director Transport, who is supposed to sit in South Goa, he is sitting in this office behind me.
Junta House.
Junta House.
Southacho. Okay.
And for whatever administrative reason, he has been made to sit here. But what happens today? See, giraikan आवाज उठोवपा जाय, and that is why I appreciate the girl and this parent, her parents also, for speaking out. See, what happens today? We say there are many problems in Goa, but under Consumer Protection Act, what is the advantage? Each consumer has a right, each consumer has a voice, each consumer can speak out. And that is why it is important. Now, harassment is going on for two reasons. One of the reasons is the problem of these reserve seats. If you see how some of these buses have removed a reserve seat, senior citizens have
KTC nahi kadle?
No, KTC, you will see sometimes the painting is gone or it's painted down. You are sitting and you are searching, but actually the painting is down. So, we have raised this that people have to walk the talk. Some officer should come on the ground and see what is going on. Now that an MLA has done it, it actually poses a very big challenge to Kadamba. And I am hopeful that the new MD who has taken over, Mr. Pundalik Kozhekar, he is supposed to have taken over. He as the new MD. Now, he has vast experience of being additional collector, deputy collector. He has seen what are the problems. In fact, Kadamba bus stand issue we have taken up with him only, Ponda, and got so many things done. So, coming back to the issue of harassment now, there is a WhatsApp number. See, in every Kadamba bus, there is a WhatsApp number. Now, in these electric buses, some people have removed that sticker. So, we have put up them a condition that you find that person. If that sticker is removed or that number is scratched off, the conductor should be taken to, the driver or whoever should be taken to task. Because that WhatsApp number, for whatever it's worth, many people tell us, the WhatsApp number, that's not the question. There is a redressal system that has to be used. So, we are going to take up this case in a very big way during the forthcoming Road Safety Week. Because see, what this parent and that girl has said is very important. See, if harassment is going to take place in the bus, any parent will, out of concern for the daughter, will say, don't go in the bus, baby, you take this motorcycle. And motorcycles are more and more coming on the road, more road accidents are there. So public transport is the solution. Public transport is the solution. So there is less accidents, better transport facility for people. But for this, all the MLAs of South Goa have to come together.
Sir, one more thing that girl had highlighted time and again, she told the conductor, the driver, but they said nothing.
Yeah, now I will tell you what is also the problem. Today, these people don't care for these students because they don't issue them tickets. The revenue loss, I will tell you, in Kadamba and Maji bus also, between Naveli and Margaon, Margaon to Naveli, Margaon to Nuve, all these stops, they are just waiting at the door and taking the money. Now, if you are not issued a ticket, you don't have a legal document to show that you travel in that bus. See, these are the issues finally.
But she had a legal ticket also.
That they had a ticket is a good thing. But I will tell you, we have done so many drives there in front, and we'll be doing now also during Road Safety Week. We have stopped and asked the students, show your ticket. Says, ticket is given.
Now the girl says, conductor driver no action should be.
No, that is what I am saying.
Action
Therefore, in the background of the Calcutta rape case and all, see, people have to understand. A lot of protests were done. Appreciate people have protested. But people were silent. This girl said nobody came in support of her when she was raising the issue. So I think this is a wake-up call for everybody, including civil society, that some things are going wrong. Administration has to tighten up, no doubt. But more than that, more than Kadamba and all this transport department, I think the citizen, the public have to get up, and I think this is going to definitely spread all over Goa. See, people have heard this issue, they have heard her interview, and I'm telling you for sure that from the feedback I'm getting, more people are going to start filing complaints, and we will see the best effort during Road Safety Week from 23rd of September.
Thank you, sir.